PM everyone, my name is Rosen M. Rosana and this is my interview. Thank you for agreeing to participate in this interview. I will ask you a few questions about your experience learning English, especially how your family has influenced your learning. Question number 1. Can you tell me about a time when you feel nervous or anxious speaking English?
Yes, I felt very nervous when I had to speak English in public or at work. I was afraid of making mistakes and embarrassing myself. Sometimes I feel pressure because I want to do well not only for myself but also for my family.
Question number 2. How has your family influenced your decision to learn English?
My family is my biggest motivation. I want to learn English so I can get a better job and provide a better life from them. Thinking about my family encouraged me to keep going even when learning English is difficult.
Question number 3. Do you ever feel stress related to learning English because of family expectation?
Yes, sometimes I feel pressure to succeed because my family depend on me. This pressure can make me anxious is especially when I feel like I am not and provide fast enough when my family encourage me.
Question number 4. How do you feel when your family support your learning?
I feel more
When?
when when I feel more confident and motivated. Their supports help reduce my stress and makes me more comfortable practicing English.
Question number 5. What helps you feel more confident when you're learning English?
Know that I learn English from my family gives me strength. When I remember my goals, I feel more confident and willing to speak even if I make mistakes.
Okay, this is end our interview. Reflection and analysis. The interview reflects Kardashian effect filter hypothesis, which explain how emotions such as anxiety, motivation, and attitude affect sound and language. Accusation. The interview experience anxiety when speaking English, especially do you fear of making mistake, pressure related to family responsibility. This anxiety raises effective filter and makes speaking more difficult. However, family plays strong motivational role in lowering his affective filter. His desire to support his family encouraged him to continue learning English despite stress and fear. According to Kardashian, his motivation helps learning stay engaged and improve language acquisition. Family support also creates a positive emotional environment when the interview feel encouraged by the family's confidence increase the anxiety. Decreases this show how emotional support can help learning feel more comfortable using second language. In conclusion, a family is a powerful source of motivation and influence. Emotional factor in language learning, also family expectation can sometimes increase pressure. Overall, support your family helps slowing and effect them and promotion success English learning. Thank you.